Hello everyone. Today we, the students of class 7A, are going to have a conversation on His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's kindness and compassion. Because for us Tibetans, he is more than just a spiritual leader. So today we are dedicating this day to him. Sometimes I wonder how blessed we are to have His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama as our spiritual leader. Even though he has lived in exile for so many decades, his heart is always filled with compassion for Tibetans and for the whole world.
Yes, that always moves me. He lost his country, his palace, and everything familiar, yet he never lost his love for others. Instead of being angry, he teaches us forgiveness. That kind of compassion is something beyond ordinary people's strength.
Yes, you are right, Ugalamola. I also feel the same. His Holiness often says that no matter how much suffering we face, we should never let go of kindness. When I hear that, I think of how he carries the pain of an entire nation on his shoulder, but still smiles warmly at every person he meets. It makes me emotional.
What touches me most is his humility. Despite being such a great leader, he calls himself just a simple Buddhist monk. He doesn't seek fame or power. His only wish is to bring peace and happiness to all beings. That kind of selflessness is rare in this world.
He also reminds us that compassion is not just a prayer or a philosophy, it is action. It is how we treat each other every day, helping our parents, respecting our teachers, and being gentle with animals. His life is like a living lesson for us to follow.
Sometimes I think about how different the world would be if more leaders followed his path. Instead of wars and hatred, there would be dialogue, understanding, and peace. His compassion is not just for Tibetans, but for all humanity.
And don't you feel comfort when he speaks? His voice itself has so much warmth in it. Even if we are hopeless about our future, his words give us courage. And he makes us believe that through compassion, even the deepest wound can heal.
Yes, I agree, Losila. His kindness is like a light in the darkness. For us Tibetans, he is not only our leader, but also our refuge. And for the world, he is a symbol of peace. Sometimes I feel we can never repay his kindness, but at least we can practice what he teaches.
Exactly, Dashila. If we carry even a small part of his compassion into our daily lives, we can make a difference. That will be the greatest offering we can make to him.
May we always follow His Holiness's example, living with kindness, compassion, and hope. Thank you.